Okay, what spice do I need? Ah, here we go. Sesame seed. Oh, almost forgot to put everything back. Now the carrots. Now for the mincing.
I finished cleaning again. Do you need any help with anything?
Heck no! Remember the last time you cooked? Lightning, I'm not feeling so good. Can you cook dinner tonight?
Okay.
Hey, Lightning.
What?
What are you cooking for dinner?
Baked potatoes.
Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Lightning,
What?
how are you cooking it?
Microwave.
Okay. Wait. Lightning,
What?
by any chance, did you leave the aluminum foil on when you put it in the microwave?
Maybe.
Uh-oh.
What?
This is why I do the cooking.